Hello friends, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House. Wow! Okay! Yay!
Woo! It's time to eat. Let's go.
Today, I will show you how to make a wonderful McDonald's miniature house with a mini hamburger vending machine. I hope you love it. Main colors will be red and yellow. Wow! Like always, I will do the bedroom first. In the bedroom, there will be two main objects, a bed and a bedside cabinet with a nightlight. Wrap a piece of clay on a block of cardboard. Cut. Bed frame is finished. Now I will make the blanket. Roll out a piece of red clay. Using molds to create textures on the surface. Making lines to decorate blankets. A layer of white placed underneath. A layer of yellow put on top. Add a red bow for accent. Done! Ta-da! I made a giant M-shaped headboard, the McDonald's logo. Cut the Foamex sheet for the frame. Wrap the clay around it. Decorate the border according to the curve of the letter. So cute! Next, I make the bedside cabinet. The drawer has the letter I'm loving it. Very familiar, isn't it?
Wow!
The turquoise clay really stands out against the red and yellow background. I will choose it as a night light. The red beads to make a lamp base. Assemble the parts together with glass glue. Perfect! Slippers are ready to serve you. Do you like to draw? Coloring food is my hobby. A bag of chips was born. Awesome! Ta-da!
Wow!
Here! And here it is. bedroom is complete. Next, I'll do a gift exchange. Attach the shelves to the cabinet body. I'm going to make a McDonald's gift collection. First will be a striking red cap.
Woo!
A catching tank top. What's next? Hello Kitty in a clown costume is a great idea, isn't it?
Wow!
Clock, Happy Meal box. Quickly make a cashier to serve.
Wow!
Tiny cashier machine. Mini keyboard. Menu. Signboard.
Wow, that's wonderful!
Then, the highlight of the house will be the giant hamburger-shaped vending machine. Build a machine with mysterious eggs. Come here, guys. Put a coin in the machine. Turn the knobs. What's inside the mysterious egg? Congratulations on winning a t-shirt.
Okay! Thank you!
It's your turn.
I'm so nervous.
Congratulations on winning a hat.
Okay.
She's so cool. An indoor rainbow slide will keep you entertained all day. Trust me. Colorful. The dining table comes with a unique-looking hamburger chair. Bread. meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, bread with sesame. Looks delicious. Yep, my McDonald's house is completed.
Wow, that's amazing! That smells delicious. Ooh, what's this?
Do you like this McDonald's house? I love eating hamburgers at McDonald's. And the fried chicken is. I prefer to eat somewhere else. Can you guess where that is?